Hello friends, we are in Paris. It is raining.
Freezing cold.
Freezing cold. What we say? Probably like 4 degrees. And it's raining. It's not like the 40-degree heat I had here when I was here 6 years ago. So different. But the buildings are still pretty. Focus. I mean, even though it's raining, look, there's Gap.
Right, let's go.
Let's go. This boy is fishing in the window. This girl's just casually like parasailing. What? That is the most intense window display I've ever seen. Wow. They're on the moon. All of the lights, all of the lights. Guess what else I found? So cute. Oh, it's a helicopter. Look, in the distance. H&M. Yeah. Christmas tree.
Zara.
First stop of the day. We made it to the Opera House. Doesn't it just look lovely in this rainy weather? There's a play on at the moment and La Bohème. Ladies and gentlemen, the Opera House of Paris. Very nice. So we got on another big bus tour for the day. Hopefully it stops raining. But if it's raining it might mean that there's not as many people out. Just stroll in the streets. I've got no idea where we are. It should be fun. Hey. All the pretty balconies. I mean, is the queue worth it to go see the Mona Lisa? Probably not. I'll just pretend I went there like last time. It just looks like a giant glass house, doesn't it? By art gallery. Maybe next time I'm in Paris. Look at... Oh, there's our big bus. Nice. Big bus. The river. And Notre-Dame. Looking not as beautiful as it does with clear blue sky, I must say. But hey, it's still pretty. Oh, it's just so... Oh, I've got rain on the camera. Just so magnificent. But there's a big ass queue to get in. We got the big bus rain poncho. Sorry it's raining. Go Praveen, put it on. Yes. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to model it. Yay. Big bus. Yay. So we decided not to go inside the Notre-Dame because the line was probably like a 2-hour wait. But we're going to go around the back and have a look at all the... I can't remember what you call them. It's got a funny name, but look, the gardens look pretty. You can pretend it's summer. Oh, the buildings, they're so magnificent and pretty. Even though it's raining. Damn it. Oh, the John Pauls. The whole two that we know. Here is St. John Paul. Outside the Notre-Dame in Paris. Beautiful. This brings back memories. The back of Notre-Dame. All the trees and the seats and the gravel, but not as pretty looking as it was in summer. So this is the back of Notre-Dame. Let me just get round a bit more away from the trees. Here we go, camera's clean now, you can see it properly. How intense is this? The back of Notre-Dame. Very, very beautiful. Sorry Leslie, we're not going to go on the boat ride tonight because it is just too wet. We can just pretend. Right, So we are at a little cafe in Paris. Rain's got a coffee, I got a chocolate muffin, and look at this. Look at that. How good does that look? Oh my goodness, it's got like custard in it.
I'm gonna devour it.
And share it with me.
No.
Yeah. These are giant meringues. All different flavors. Wow. Not as big as the London Eye, but still pretty gigantic. Wow. I remember passing this shop 6 years ago because it was my favourite. Oh, the Disney shop. Oh, battery on. Got it. And it's raining again. Very pretty. Yes. Hey, it's windy and cold. Okay, we can go. We love dust. Praveen, they love dust. They love dust. Are you gonna go in? Look at the cats. Wow.
Driving experience. Look what I have. Ta-da!
Focus. Stay. Hold it still. Hold it still. There's no Red Bull on it. Oh, it's not gonna focus.
That's what a nice bag.
Are you happy? I was here 5 years ago, having a photo in front of the Eiffel Tower. So cool. Wow.
Take it up.
And we are in. A lot more security here these days. Oh, you can go see right up through the top. We are somewhat in the middle. Wow. I'm going up, up, up. See, look. So good. Wow.
Mesdames, messieurs, votre attention s'il vous plaît. Deuxième étage, tout le monde descend. Vous devez changer d'ascenseur pour accéder au sommet. Second floor, everybody steps up. You need to switch.
We're up the Eiffel Tower. I do not know what that is. Oh no, battery is dying. The wind. Oh, I remember facing this way. We are going higher to the summit. So high up. Wow. So intense. Ooh. High. Whoa. Wow. That's so intense. I'm scared. Look how far up we are. We are on the tallest summit of the Eiffel Tower. Holy moly, look how high up we are. This is ridiculous.